So we are at day 13. We're one day away from the final 14 days and I'm really proud of you all. Now, last time we used the golden chai, we made a pretty special, delicious apple pie one. This one is equally as delicious. So we're using frozen mango, frozen cherries, and vanilla coconut yogurt with soy milk. So let's get going. We'll put the cherries in first. And then the mango. I'm going to drop in the creaminess of this yogurt. There we go. Then add the soy milk. And finally, I'm going to add the golden chai bomb. Take the wrapper off, of course. Crumble it in as best you can. You know, I'm finding it too that it's best to have dry hands when you're crumbling. I don't know whether you've tried it both ways, but I find that when your fingers are dry, it makes it much easier to break it down. There you go. I think that's good enough. Let's give it a whiz for 60 seconds. And there we go. So that's now ready. Remember, like I mentioned last time, the golden chai is just such a great immune booster, and it also tastes delicious. Look at that. Let me know what you think as well.